Good morning. It is Saturday, the morning of day 8, second to last day on the trail. Tomorrow we walk out to the car. So here's to that. Should be a pretty easy day today. Nothing too exciting, but we are going by Nuclear Lake, which I'll show and talk to you about later. I think that's really the only highlight. I can't remember. We're planning on going just as far as we can go. I had an original endpoint on an Outlook, and if that's it, that's it. And if we can go further, great. That's more miles off tomorrow, and the quicker I get home. I am looking forward to being home again, and being around people and things like that. It's funny how a week in the woods will do that to you, but I'm excited. And I'm already proud. It's been an amazing journey, and I'm just going to keep talking about it for the next 2 days. All right, I'm going to finish my coffee, and we got to get on the trail. We just got on trail this morning. We were heading up a hill, and by this beautiful field, disturbed a family of turkeys, and there were just babies flying everywhere. And I mean flying. One went up in a tree. They all went in different directions. Poor mama went in another direction. So we're trying to make our way through, but Isis is just smelling everything. And I hope mama collects her babies. I'm sure she will. Oh, it is a beautiful morning. It's overcast. It's breezy. It will be hot again today. So we're just going to see what we can do. Should be pretty easy, so maybe we'll go a little bit further than we initially thought. Sorry, Isis is looking at something. And yeah, second to last day. Here we go. That is not the Dover oak, but it's huge. It's beautiful. We'll be coming to the Dover oak, I think, tomorrow, unless I really push it today. So we'll see what happens. But look at that tree. Just massive. That's I-84, also known as the road that I'm going to take home. We'll see you soon. We just passed Morgan Stewart's shelter, which means that the next big landmark is Nuclear Lake, which means we're doing really well today. So yeah, we probably will go past my intended spot to stop and find another one and just kill off some miles so that we don't have that far to go tomorrow. Hey guys, just checking in. We are cruising along, and New York is dry, very, very dry. So water caches and any kind of liquid trail magic that's not like dehydrating alcohol would be probably so appreciated. I know this whole trip, all the trail magics, I didn't want food, I just wanted liquids. It's hot and New York is dry, so we are just cruising along, and it looks like my intended stop might be just a lunch spot. And then I'll try to see where else I can stay the night. I don't think I'm going to finish, but, you know, stranger things have happened. All right, we are going to keep hiking.
Saturday, right? Where is everybody? Oh well. More trail for me. Early lunch at Nuclear Lake. We are making phenomenal time today. And there's only like 13 miles to the border. I'm not going to kill myself though. I'll get out tomorrow. But I'm going to do as many miles as I can today to try to make it a short day tomorrow. So, yeah, we're just enjoying our time. I'll flip the camera around and show you the lake in a minute. So that's all there is to it. It's just lunchtime. Having some tuna, drinking some water, thinking about the rest of my day. This is my view at lunchtime. Sorry, bug. This is the south end of Nuclear Lake, and we are going to be hiking around it to the north end and then up to where I intended to stay tonight, but then we'll probably keep going until at least a water source or something like that. We'll see what happens, and we'll see what the day holds, but we'll be getting back on the trail shortly. Just so we're clear, I dunked my head buff in Nuclear Lake, and so if anything happens to me or if I start looking funny, you know why. Hey there, folks. Oh, checking out the water sources. Everything is drying up. My last shot before a long time is a stagnant pool of probably Giardia. So I'm looking at my water, and I have enough for Isis to have a bowl now, a bowl when we get to camp. And then I have enough for dinner and a cup of coffee in the morning. So we might just stick with our intended target after all. I swear, you want to do one thing and then the trail says, no, you're going to stick with your plan. So it'll probably be 10 miles to go tomorrow, but we'll see. But yeah, that's what I think we're looking at right now. So we'll see you down the trail. We made it to the Dover Oak. We are desperate for a campsite. We're gonna find one soon, I hope. But awesome, we are doing great. We are shaving time off tomorrow. So let's get hiking. Found the water. I just gotta find a place to camp. Oh, I think we're gonna end up past the train station, which is not a bad thing, but my feet are tired. Oh, and we're on bog bridges right now, so thankful for that. Oh boy, let's wrap this day up. Wow. Okay. Really easy terrain. Few ups that were kind of on the big side, but nothing too spectacular. Beautiful forest to walk through. I enjoyed this day. Nuclear Lake was beautiful. I had lunch by there. Um, we did our thing. 12 and a half miles. We ended up going past the viewpoint that I wanted to camp at, which is good because it might be like raining off and on all night tonight, from my last night on trail. It's awesome. And landed past the Dover Oak, which those of you that don't know, because I didn't really explain it because we kind of breezed by it because there was just people there. They were having an argument or something. Anyway, the Dover Oak is the largest or the oldest or both oak tree on the northern half of the AT. Oddly enough, though, early on in the day, I passed another huge oak tree that could rival it. Anyway, so that was fun, and we ended up going, past that, past the pastures, and at another durable campsite. I'm not calling them stealth sites anymore. They're just durable ground campsites that people have used before because they're not very stealthy because I can see the trail right there and I've been waving at people all night. Anyway, 12 and a half miles, right? I said that. And 8.7 to go tomorrow to the car, and that is it. New York will be done. This is all miles that I've actually done before when I did a few little section hikes last year. So I'm pretty confident that we can just get it done and get back to the car and then get home. So I will talk to you all in the morning for the final chapter.